So hello everyone who watching this video. Today we taking apart keyboard from MSI GP60, which is perfectly working machine, but just like it has problems with the hinge, broken, and it's better to sell as a part, not a full computer. So which I'm selling those parts on in my eBay website or my own personal website, where I'm offering uh, uh, repair services and not even laptop services or parts, a lot more, and TV repairs and CCTV repairs or installation. So today we are dismantling keyboard from this laptop. So yeah, it's a little um, inputs there, which is it's not really recommended to do with the flat screwdriver, as you see yourself. Barely, I broke a little bit of a keyboard, but if we put in there gently and a push, it should come out. So those little, so just be careful. Just as I said before, it's a metal, and you can just like leave a breaking marks in there. So put a plastic in it and try to wiggle it, and it comes loose again. So just gently push, and he comes out himself gently. That's it. It should be ribbon connected to a motherboard, which is, and just like put the nail, your fingernail in there, and a plastic, or you can put another finger if you can, and it will get ribbon out. That's it for today. So if you want to purchase this keyboard from this MSI computer laptop, so there will be link down there in the description below. Thank you for watching.